Okay, Stump the eBay grinder here, starting a new week. Today is Sunday the 11th. I've had two sales. I sold this Vero beach hat, which I believe is in Florida. I can know it is. Which is a, let's see. Try and give you the name of the brand name. This, I think the headwear. They're made in China. It's a real nice looking hat. Sometimes I want to keep these hats myself, but I don't. But I got a bunch of them in case anybody else wants any. Sold this for $13.99 plus shipping and handling. Probably make about $8 off of it. Sold this in embroidery thread. Got all the colors there but one. It's missing the red spool up here. I sold this for Mrs. Stump. We took an offer on it for $19.99. And fixing to wrap it up, wrap both of them up actually. So it's a good start for a week, two sales, and let's hope it continues. Well guys, had one sale today so far. So this brand new Minch Platinum shirt, Italy/New York. It's brand new. Let's see, XXL. Singing. It's called, color says navy/white. I don't see the original price on here, but I guess it does have some navy in it. But anyway, it's brand new. Sold that for $11.99. Shipping and handling. Fixing to put this shirt on in the next couple of days. This is a kid's. This is a kid's XXL, size 18, very young youth. Says can't be stopped. I think that's a football helmet. Pretty cool shirt. It is long sleeve, but pretty cool shirt. And I'm gonna be putting on 4 of these cans of sardines and brine sauce. Not sauce, but in brine. So, by Pampa brand. Be surprised when things sell. They don't fly off the shelf, but they do sell. Check y'all later. One more sale late this afternoon. I sold this 50 strong sporting disc. Made in the USA. It's one of them, I call them frisbees, but they're not. Nobody calls them frisbees no more. They're things you play, what, frisbee golf with, or whatever you call it. But sold this for $10.99 plus shipping and handling. We got one more, and we're gonna wrap it up and hopefully send it off tomorrow. So that's it. Did two more sales today. I sold this Van Heusen 3X shirt. It's kind of a pink and gold color, short sleeve, I believe. I don't want to unwrap it all the way. Van Heusen's usually a fairly decent sale. I sell quite a few of them. Like I said, it's size 3X. Sold this for, oh man, I think either $13.99 or $14.99, somewhere in that ballpark. And I sold this. I just put this on last week, the Margaritaville Jimmy Buffett shirt. It's a size extra large. I got the dimensions right there. I sold it, I think, for $19.99 maybe, $20.99. Only took me a week to sell that one. The other one I had a while, so things are picking up a little bit. And hey, we're waiting on the next ones to come in. Alright guys, hush up. Today I sold 2 items. Excuse me. Hush up. I sold this. Whatever school that's for, Missouri maybe. This is a 2X sweatshirt. It's real heavy. Hang on just a minute. My dog needs to go out. Go on out. Alright, I'm back. It's a burgundy, I think it's Missouri. I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, I sold this as a size 2X. Like I said, it's very heavy. I took an offer on this for $20. I think it's actually going to Wisconsin, I'm not sure. And I sold this pair of pink / lavender, depending on how the light hits it, ladies' pants. They're no bows, low rise, skinny. They're size 17. I think that's a Walmart brand. But I sold these for $10.99 plus shipping and handling. So, you know, we're grinding and getting there. Today I sold this Corvette hat. It's black with the red Corvette emblem and stuff. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sold this for $11.99. Just kind of a simple hat. Going down to Miami, Florida. Put him on there until I wrap him up. And I sold 6 cans of this home style Patterson's home style sausage and gravy. If you like canned gravy, this is not a bad brand. Sold this 23, I think, with free shipping. And we'll be doing the wrap up tomorrow probably, so we'll see you then. Oh gang, just a weekly wrap up for the week 11th through the 17th. I actually had a pretty good week for an old grinder here. I had 10 orders totaling $323.74. eBay fees was $32.17. And shipping came to $61.59, excuse me. Left me a net of $193.55. And my cost of the items that I shipped came to $31.45, which left me roughly, give or take a few dollars, $162 in profit. This is one of my better weeks. You know, I hope it continues. You never know if it will or not. If it does, it does. If it don't, it don't. That's the way it goes. Just wanted to show you my little shipping table, corner of the room here. That's where I do all my wrapping and stuff, and lay out stuff I'm gonna sell, like this doll here. Got a little mannequin over here that I put my shirts on. Got some bins back there with the stuffed animals in them. Got some stuff down there. And that's my little corner of the world with my computers and paper and the rest of everything that I need. I keep outside in a shed. So, unlike some of these other people that's got these big garages, old Stump here, he just grinds out in a little room in his house. We will see you next week if we sell anything.
Holy hallelujah, we've done it!